Hello one and all. This is Jasneet Singh, a.k.a. Innovative Coder from Innovative Coder Workstation, and we are live on YouTube. And this is Innovative Live 6th episode. Uh, Meeting you all after a very long time. Uh, we'll be starting the live session on on Instagram as well. But can anyone tell me am I audible? We have two viewers. Can anyone please quickly let me know, am I audible or not? Hey, Dumba fellow. Hello, Abhishek. कैसा है भाई? हाँ आ रही है. Okay. Thanks, bro. I'll be starting the live session on what? On my mobile phone, which is on Instagram as well. Let's start. Go live, check connection, and we are live on Instagram. Hey, hello, namaste, sasriyakal, everyone. This is Innovative Coder from Innovative Coder Workstation, and this is the 6th episode of Innovative Live. We are live on both Instagram as well as on YouTube. Hello, everyone. Please come in, let people join in. We have 4 viewers, 9. I really like this number growing, man. 16, 19. Hey, hello one and all. Please, can anyone tell me, am I audible? I am trying my new Boya mic. Am I audible or not? Please quickly let me know. Am I audible? Clear. Voice not clear. What's the issue on? Your voice is not audible. Okay. Check your mic. Voice not clear. So, is the voice clear now? Can anyone tell me? Sound is not audible. Fix the volume problem. Okay, fine. So we'll not upgrade. We'll just downgrade to the normal mic we are using here. Okay. Cool. I'll just put it over here only. Yeah. It's clearly audible on YouTube, I know, but I don't know it's audible on Instagram or not. No sound. Hello one more. Hello everyone. So am I audible now? Yeah. I think I would be audible now. Okay now. Yeah, actually the thing was, okay, so first of all, welcome everyone to the Innovative Live 6th, and this is our 6th live session, both on YouTube as well as on Instagram. We'll be taking questions on both the platforms. And actually the thing was that I was earlier using my new Boya mic, which is in testing phase right now. So I was just testing that will it work or not. But okay, so we'll downgrade only to this one. And we'll have the Instagram live sessions using this one only. I'll use this one some other time. Okay, so not wasting any time of you guys. Firstly, announcing last day, yesterday I was with Avijit Arya, and this was an amazing experience there. That how he treated me, his hospitality, and everything. We talked about various stuff related to digital marketing, hospitality management, and entrepreneurship and all of that stuff related to startups, investments, and stuff. So that would be uploaded by most probably by this Sunday on my YouTube channel. If you are not, if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, then please guys go to YouTube channel and subscribe it. There's a lot of content I'll be putting out. I am in conversation with various people who are very well known. So if I tell you about Avijit Arya, he is the top 100th most influential guy in digital marketing domain in all over the world. Yeah. And if you have any question, then you can just put those questions. So we have, I think, 2 questions. how to prefer maths in AI, and I don't know if it's just me, but I can. Okay, so the hearing problem is not now sorted, and Ujjwal is asking how to prefer maths in AI. Okay, how to prefer maths in AI. See, if you talk about machine learning, then okay. So Gaurav, please use the sticker option. I'll be answering the questions only present in the sticker. So please use that. Okay, so talking about maths and AI, so like I have a video on this as well, but I won't be referring you to that video. It would take a lot of time. Just talking about a little bit about this thing. So when you learn the algorithms, now do that sideways. So what I prefer is like parallel processing. So just pick up a machine learning algorithm and learn all the maths related to that only. Don't just learn specifically maths and then going for machine learning algorithms. Just do all of the things sideways. Okay, so Saurabh is asking. Hey Saurabh, first of all, hello buddy. So Saurabh is asking how to get analytics internship. Okay, so how to get analytics internship. So if you're talking about data analytics internship, that's pretty easy to get. You just need to know a little bit of not machine learning. Maybe you need to know a little bit of like the earlier parts of like data preprocessing, data fetching, and everything related to that. Not particularly machine learning part, because that would be under data science. And eventually, I have seen people getting data analytics internship and then upgrading it to data science only. So yes. Hey Monica. Hey Thema. Hello everyone. How are you, man? We have one viewer on YouTube. Hey Karan Pratap. I'm afraid of burnout due to programming. I mean, like, yes, man. Just try. Just keep going it on, man. It's always a little bit like that only. Okay, how to learn Java fast and tips. Yeah, I haven't learned Java. Like I'm a guy who has done C++ and then who has done Python and now learning JS. So I don't have any idea about Java, but talking normal about like how to learn languages fast, because the first language I learned, which was C++, I took around like 6 months. Then hopping it over from like C++ to Python was clearly around like 1 week time, and then now learning JS is pretty fast. So learning a complete new language is like JS. It takes around like 6 to 7 months, but I learned it like pretty much it in around like 2 months. So I would say just learn first language completely. Like do data structures. Where from? I'm from India, brother. Yeah. So just learn first language completely, and then you can easily switch between other languages. Okay, so Dumba fella, which is like Abhishek, a dear friend to me, is asking. Actually, I'm making a minor project on alcohol detector as a women safety device. Can you tell me up to what extent I can upgrade it with modern technology? Okay, buddy. So you must be using what sensors, वगैरह ना? So just do that. Alcohol detection. Okay, nice one, nice topic. For women's safety. Uh, okay, so you must be using those things in around like cars, what Ubers and Olas. Uh, I mean, like yes, that's a very good problem you are solving. You can think of that. Like you can go up to various extent. How do you practice a specific language? Like you said, 2 months. How do you go in that? Okay, fine. So the thing is that I don't need to learn the data structures now. So that is like what I have crossed the threshold part. So now it's just that logical thinking, and then you need to get yourself comfortable with the syntax part. So learning the syntax is main thing, and with what the thing with JavaScript is, it's not like other languages like C++ and Python. It's a little bit different. It's a little bit, I would say, on the tougher side for me at least. It was like I had problems with the learning, like what concepts like promises, async awaits, and like various stuff. And then what is just you when you get comfortable with two languages now, like C++ and Python, then shifting or learning third language is not that much. It's that much difficult. It's just you need to think of the logic and you need to do some work. So you need to get the code only for that particular part, right? And when it's like you are done, you need to just glue it together and like okay. Okay, fine. So, how old were you when you started? Okay, so how old was I? I started programming in around like after 10th class, which was around like 15 or maybe 16 years of age, right? So, if you learn that early, that's great. Hey, okay, done. Sorry. How much time it take to learn one language? So if you're starting it, I would say just completely focus it for around like 6 months, and after that, moving from one to other, learning one language after the other, that would be pretty easy. So it won't take much time. But when you are learning your first language now, you just need to focus on data structures part. You just need to focus because all the things would be so new for you that it would require time. And 6 months, when I say the complete like hardcore efforts for complete 6 months. Okay, Damafil is asking if it's up to you that how you are grasping and how much you're comfortable with. Yeah, sure. Thank you for helping. Difference between AI and ML. There's a lot. There's a lot of difference between AI and ML. So it says just that what AI is like this big chunk, and ML is just a subset of AI. So AI is so what? So what? How I suppose it to be. So it's just that. AI consists of all the high-end algorithms as well. So when you are dealing with stuff related to what, when you go to the algorithms like A star algorithm, and how should I explain it, man? Okay, so when you go towards the algorithm which are really what, like human simulations, right? Then you say it to be AI, but ML is kind of an easy stuff. So these are like just algorithms you are using, and it's mostly used in data science. So kind of you are having like data science and other fields. So it's like you are having a big chunk of data and you are just using yeah. Or AI is superset and ML is subset of it. That's what I wanted to say. What is the perfect field after BTech? Bro, why do you want to choose your field after BTech? Just choose it now, na? Choose it when you are in BTech and pursue it. Like, what? I have chosen my field in the first year only. I was into machine learning. I deep dive into that only. And you know what? It's just that if you even if you change your mind in future, na, then it won't be difficult for you. Okay. Hey. Okay. Cool. Bro, Java can be learned without having basic knowledge of C and C++. True, true. Java is completely different. C, C++, Java, they are all different. Not C and C++, but yes, C, C++ is here and Java is like here. So they are completely different. And I would suggest you to choose one only among both. Future of Android development. Android development is yet here to stay. It's not going anywhere. At least at least till the time when Google is the king, when Google is peasant, Android development is going nowhere. Can PHP have better scope? Yeah, I don't think so. PHP, I don't find any jobs. If I talk about like internships, jobs, I don't find any. And even if I talk about jobs, then I don't find any like jobs for beginners in PHP field. I always find people hiring PHP programmers who are really experienced, so around like 7 years or 8 years experience in this particular field. If you enjoy coding, then do it. Learn any language, pursue uh, pursue bigger projects with that language. Learn. Yes, that's a great advice, Trailblazer 47. That's a very great advice. Flutter versus React Native, man. Okay, so Flutter versus React Native. Okay, let me just. Okay, Flutter versus React Native. I would go with React Native as I have already done React Native. First thing that. The other thing is, see, Flutter 2.0 is okay. Flutter, which is currently in beta version. I don't know right now it is in beta version or not, but like last month I checked, it was in beta version. So Flutter 2.0 is great, but talking about which is the stable version of Flutter, like no company is backing it. So I won't suggest you. I would suggest you to go with the React Native only. Hey, Cosmo Computers. Okay, so no new question on YouTube. That's very strange. Guys, if you don't know, I have a YouTube channel. I have a lot of content on it. If you guys don't know the YouTube channel name, then link is in given in the bio. If you go on my page, then you see the bio, little chunk. The link is given over there. Okay, some tips for starters in programming. I have a complete 4-minute video, I think, on how to begin, how to like tips for startups, for starters. Sorry, tips for starters in programming. A complete 4-minute video on that. Regards from you. Hey, man. Okay, how to learn cybersecurity cause courses not teach real hacking. See, like people do approach me that I want to learn hacking, I want to learn hacking, but I always recommend that no one can teach you, this stuff, because hacking, I don't suppose it to be like, other fields. It's an art. So you keep on, practicing. So you keep on like deep diving into the stuff, and then you get it. It's not just other languages and other fields. So it's like machine learning can be taught by someone, but not hacking. Why Indian programmer give up and unfit for IT industry? Okay, so see, the one thing is, I think the last year, Infosys, which is a very great company, it laid down on like 7,000 engineers, and the reason was that, Indian, not Indian engineers or Indian programmers. I would like to talk about like in general. So people are not trainable; they are tameable. So I will always say that don't, don't limit yourself. Be trainable. Keep on updating yourself. Even if you are at the age of 50, you must be, eager to learn new languages. You must be eager to learn new concepts, because the industry is really changing on a very fast pace now, and it's around like. Last month I was learning Node.js, but then someone suggested me, bro, what are you doing, man? Just learn Swellet. And then I was learning React. So someone just came to me and said, bro, what are you doing? You should learn Nest.js. So it's just like very fast pace. It's in this industry is changing, and you need to be, like cope up with the industry standards. And I don't see the unfit programmers you're talking about. They are not tameable, who are not actually trainable. Okay, thank you, Valia S. Thank you. Okay, you have 27K followers, but live 26. Why? How to increase followers? Okay, man. If you're talking about the follower count and the live count, so I have around like 1,04,000 followers, but I have only 23 live viewers. But you know what? When I end the live session, it just shows that you had around like 1,500 viewers in your complete whole session. See, because there are very few people who really listen to complete live session, and increase followers just put out content. Just put out content. It's just that. And even like there's my default why the view count is not much, because I didn't announce the live session earlier. So there's a norm like that you should announce the live session one day prior to coming to live, right? So if but my schedule is like it's not fixed, so I can't commit anything to you guys. Thank you. How to increase followers? How to increase? It's just that keep on pushing the content. It's just that. Okay, so coming on to the sticker questions, how to learn cybersecurity, how to learn, okay, done. So the question after, would it be easy to shift from Python to Java? I won't suggest that. I will suggest the reverse way, shift from Java to Python. See, first language should be Java or C++. I always recommend that only. I don't recommend you to start with Python. I don't recommend you to start with any other language. C++ and Java are the real ones which really teach you the concept. Which really they are difficult. I know that, but yes, they are the ones who really teach you how to actually program. Who are every like little bit, like all the edge cases you handle everything. You write a lot of code because these languages are a little lengthy than Python. Yeah. How much time to complete core Java? Oops in Java and Java base. See, Gaurav, that completely depends on you. That completely depends on your efforts. Bro, in your every video, I am unable to understand your name, so please pardon. Okay, Abhi, my name is Jasneet, so it's Jasneet. I know it's a little bit difficult to understand, but yeah, it's just that, man. Do you program Lua? No, I started it at like one point of time when I was using PyTorch. So not PyTorch, when I was using Torch, because Torch is coded in Lua, and when you need to do anything with Torch, you need to program it in Lua. But yes, I eventually left it in between. That project was snatched from me. Yeah. Which one is best, Java or Python? Bro, they all have, it just depends on use cases. Both of these languages are completely different and they are the master of their own field. Your GitHub, my GitHub is same as the name of the page, which is innovative coder, innovative underscore coder. You can go on my GitHub and follow me. And I have like around like 101 repos. You can just see my projects. I have some decent projects going on, so they are based on GANs and dog transfer learning, and like there are various projects there. Please answer my question. What's your question, buddy? Okay. So while is asking, I want to know about blockchain. How will it going to affect banking? Okay. So first of all, it will just come up with the transparency thing in banking. See, currently, but the thing is, now eventually, there's no point of talking about blockchain because in banking, especially because government will not let that happen because it will just take the power from the government only. So the government won't do anything which takes power from them, right? Because blockchain is a technology which really creates complete transparency. So so it won't. So government won't allow that kind of thing to happen. Okay, we have 4 live viewers on YouTube. Can please all the viewers on YouTube just say hi? I want to see like who are really watching the YouTube live session. Please. Okay, so one is left. Three now. Okay, so continuing with the Freak 101 isn't Swellet front end. Yeah, it's okay. I really don't know about Swillet. I haven't like deep dive into what actually it is. Front end library and Node backend framework. Yes, Node is backend. How does comparison make sense? And even React is front end and Nest is again front end. No, I don't think because see the thing was someone suggested this to me. I didn't really what searched about this one. So I'm not updated with the JS frameworks right now. I am learning React and Node, so I only know about these many things. Just some ideas for BCA final year project. What's your YouTube channel name? My YouTube channel name is the same as the page name on Instagram, which is Innovative Space Coder. If you go on YouTube, then you can just search Innovative Coder. It will show you the name. Or what you can do is alternatively you can go to the bio of the page and then click on the link given there to go to the YouTube channel. So this live session is also currently live on YouTube channel. Hey Shugam, hey Android user, what are you doing, bro? Business or job? Study and job. So not job, currently like freelancing for various companies. Yeah. Which web development or machine learning? Which to start first? Web development or machine learning? Which to start? See, it's particularly your choice. I started with ML first, then jumped to web development. But I won't suggest you to start with machine learning as now because see, if only go into machine learning if you are really keen about learning maths concepts. Joined with computer programming language. But if you are not that much into maths and if you don't love like kind of analytic things, then please just don't go into that because it would be kind of it's now machine learning market is completely saturated kind of thing, and you don't have you have enough jobs, but on supply side it's so much competition. I won't suggest anyone without thinking on like 10 times to go into machine field right now if you are starting now, because I have seen people. Yeah, true, Freak 101. I am because he himself seems lack knowledge. Yep, true. So Freak101 is saying that's the case. Please ignore the ones who has given suggestion to upgrade because he himself learns lack of knowledge in JS world. That's true. That's why I don't listen to people. I was just telling like how fastly this what technical world is changing. It was just that. How much you earn? Oh man, that you shouldn't have asked. I can't disclose that, and you shouldn't like just directly ask this to anyone. What's data science all about? Okay, so data science is all about the science behind the data, as the name suggests, but going more deep, it's just algorithms applied onto the data so that you can get analytics out of it. So every company, so these are companies like KPMG, then there is EY. These all are analytics big giants. So they all are working towards getting analytics out of various things. So in every field, you have complete analytics, whether it be education, whether it be healthcare, any field, you have some kind of analytics. So these companies really work on those analytics, and then they need people like data scientists and actuarial scientists who really work on these particular things. Then on in insurance field as well, you have actuarial scientists who really work on risk management and stuff related. Okay, man. Hey, Firebase or MySQL? If you're starting, then go with MySQL. They both are pretty much easy, but yeah, Firebase is kind of I prefer Firebase. I won't prefer MySQL. Next, okay, okay. We had some question. Neat tip on freelancer. How did you get project, bro? Can you help me on this? See, earlier I first started with Upwork, which is a great platform. But now my account is blocked on Upwork. I don't know why. I also started with freelancer.com. So these were the two sites from where I started. I then switched to the Facebook groups and the Instagram communities, like the one I have built. So now my own community, I get project from here only. I don't have to go anywhere. But yes, if you're starting, then Upwork is good. Upwork is very nice. Freelancer.com is very nice. Fiverr is okay, but it's not for coding community. Then if you talk about Facebook groups, there are a lot of Facebook groups for that purpose, for this purpose. Uh, yeah, then you can also build your network on Instagram. Okay, okay. What are you studying? So I'm currently into BTech fourth year right now, and I am studying PC, but I am like really interested into CS, so I'm doing that only. Yeah, Android projects will work as mini projects during placements. Surely they will. If you have good projects, see on resume you don't have much space for projects. You have only like around like you need to add only 2 to 3 projects, but they should be some serious projects which you have done on like great projects, right? So build quality, not quantity. Is Android Kotlin better than Android Java? Yeah, it's just that you need to upgrade yourself with the, as I said, with what new technology is coming in, you need to upgrade yourself. So it's just that the Google has said that you need to upgrade to Kotlin, then you need to upgrade to Kotlin. It's nothing hard and fast, bro. Programming logic is very bad. Provide me some tips. If your programming logic is very bad, then do data structures more and more. Then do competitive programming. Your logic will improve uh, by 10x. Okay. Say something about DBMS. What should I say about DBMS, man? How much time should I spend on competitive programming? See, if you are not that much good in programming, or if your field is competitive programming, you want to deep dive into competitive, and like that's your main goal. I don't know how much time you should do, but get at least that much proficient that you are able to solve code chef problems. I'm not saying code forces, but yes, code chef medium, you should be able to solve in around like average time. Yeah. Okay. Okay, live. We are live only for next 5 minutes, and then I'll be just ending the live session. Okay, so Android user is asking what type of projects you are doing. So I have kind of mixed projects. So people do come up for me related projects related to web development, machine learning. Then there are marketing, things as well going on. So I'm like mixture of everything. Hey, Hello everyone. Which site is best resource for learning any programming language? See, there's not no one single site for learning for mastering the programming concepts. You need to see, first of all, I always prefer the documentation of any language you're using. But then again, there are some sites. So there is, I think, tutorials point. Oh, sorry, not tutorial point. Um, I don't actually remember the name. Yeah, so normally I prefer. So if you talk about Python, then I always suggest Sendex YouTube channel for Python. For JS, I always suggest Traversy Media. For Android, there are other platforms, and then official documentations are always good. Okay, so we have request for coming live. Uh, okay, is VB 6.0 better future? I don't know about that, man. Very nice live stream, buddy. Thank you. Hey, hello. Your phone is inverted, man.
Yeah, bro. Wait, 2 minutes, just 2 minutes.
Yeah, okay. It's fine, buddy. Hey, hey, how are you, man?
Hello,
Hey, how are you doing, buddy?
bro. Great, bro. I'm working on Django.
Okay, it's not Django, it's Django. D is silent.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so how's your experience? Hey, please.
Yeah, bro. I
please
just
don't-
started. I just started it.
Yeah.
Initially, documentation is too hard. I'm
Yeah.
I'm working on that.
See, initially it would be hard, but Django is pretty much on the easier side, I would say. It's not that difficult. I know it's lengthy. It's like you need to get hold on various things, but it's okay. It's fine, man.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye. Nice to meet you, buddy.
You. Bye. Take care.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. Let me put it. Okay. Fine. So, am I audible now on Instagram? So, am I audible or not? Have you done any freelancing work? Have I done any? Yes, of course, man. I'm doing freelancing in the past 2 years. Okay. Hey. Okay. So I think everything's fine. So 2 more minutes for live session, and then I'll be ending the live video on Instagram as well as on YouTube. If you have any questions, then just do put them. Uh, okay. What kind of project you used to do? You not used to do. I am currently doing. So when I started, I didn't get any serious projects. I was getting only HTML related projects. But yes, on what, when I upgraded, I learned the stuff. I got projects related to machine learning. I got projects related to Python, Django. I was not comfortable with Django, so I left it. I Now I'm getting projects related to web development, React Native, React JS, Node.js, MERN-based projects. So there's a lot of demand of machine learning of all kind of programmers. भाई हिंदी में बोल के दिखा, तुझे हिंदी में बोलते सुनना है. डेयर मिला है मेरे फ्रेंड से कि इनोवेटिव कोडर हिंदी नहीं बोलता. ओके ब्रो, यार मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि like all of the people. So there are various people who are not from India as well. So I don't know dyslexia is from India or not, but there are various, like, this is community which is, so this is programmer community, but it is not like any other community. So we have people from various states. So all of them are not able to. Oh, your connection is unstable. Why is the connection unstable, man? Okay, so there is, I think, some issue with the YouTube live session. So we'll be pausing we'll be uh, just ending the YouTube live session. Okay, and if people videos coming in, every week. So I have around like 2 or 3 videos coming every week. Okay, yeah, we have people from South Africa as well. So that's why I don't use Hindi. Aman is saying, I saw your YouTube video on beginners in engineering. It's very useful. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. What is different between IT engineering and computer engineering? They are almost same. Almost, not almost, they are exactly same. There's no such difference. Okay, so that's video with your friends, and comment down if you have any doubt. Thank you guys. We'll see you YouTube. Bye bye.